Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be about how to add more options to your More Options search bar. That might include areas of town, a subdivision. You might want to add additional information such as keywords so consumers coming to your website can search for additional elements as they continue their real estate search. So how do we go about doing this? Well, the first thing I want you to do is on the home page of your website, I want to go right to the address bar. I'm going to hit /wp-admin, and many of you have probably already gone through here, and that's going to take you to the login page of your website. Type in your username and your password. So we're on the dashboard. We're going to scroll right down to Display Tools. Once we click on that, there'll be several options that we can see. I'm going to go right down here to Search Forms. Now, the first column is the search results page search form, so we don't need to modify that. But what we will do is modify the search results page form, the advanced section, what is called the More Options tab on your website. Now you can see Deb has already configured this for all the training classes that she's been giving. But why don't we go ahead and just show you how to add tabs to your More Options button. The way you're going to add a field, by the way, you can drag and drop these tabs in any order that you want. But what you can do is you can have a 3-column search, so I can add an additional column here so that these search parameters don't cover the entire web page. And I can also add a field. So the way I do that is I click the button and you'll see that the field has been moved down to the first column, which is fine. You can always drag it over to the other column or wherever you want it to be placed. I'm then going to touch this little down arrow and then I'll select the field. Now you can see we have MLS areas, multi-select, so you can have multiple, you can use the control key to select multiple areas. You can have the term city or multi-city. I'm going to use keywords even though Deb has it here already, just to show you a point. Now keywords are great because what it gives you the ability to do, it gives the consumer the ability to search, and I'll show you this on the website in just a minute, but you can search for a key term, and if it's in the public remarks or elsewhere, that home or that listing will be served up based on the keywords that you found, and definitely try this on your own website. So once I have the columns, and again I can keep adding more columns, but that's probably not realistic. If I've added too many, I can just click the delete button. Again, I can move items around as I see fit, and if I wanted to go back to the 2-column search, I can do that. But let's try the 3-column search just so we can see what it looks like on our website. And maybe we'll put gated community over here. And keywords we already have. If you have a duplicate, you can always click the down arrow and then click delete, and then it'll remove that piece from your search. And let's put subdivision here. So I have my advanced buttons, my More Options buttons set up. Now I'm going to click Save Changes. Okay, I'm going to go then up to my tab here, to my website, and I'm going to refresh my website. I click on that. Now the changes have taken effect. Let's click More Options, and you'll see I have 3 columns of searches. How cool is that? Now let me show you what I was talking about earlier regarding keywords. I'm going to put in a keyword of country club, and then I'm going to click search. I'm going to come down here and I see lots of interesting results. Well, let's see what this one says. How about that? So the reason we use the keyword search is so consumers can find great properties just like this that may be located between Sawgrass Country Club and Mickler's Beach. Again, they're searching for keywords that are found in the property description. So what does this tell you when you're building when you have a new listing? You want to take a look at the property description, enter in key information that would not necessarily be found in the MLS information that you normally type in. So your property description becomes very important in how you market your listing. Identifying key areas such as a country club or a particular beach. Those kinds of things are just as important as identifying some of the features that the home has. Returning back to our home page, the More Options tab can be customized specific to your business to meet your business needs and your market.